Okay, question number 10 suggests that the diagram shows the circle with a center -4 and 5 and radius square root of 20 units. The circle intersects the y-axis at the point C and B. The size of an angle is theta radian. Find out the equation of tangent of that circle to that point, -6 and 9. So the things that are already known to you, you need to mention. Center point is given to you, that is -6 and 9. So the circle of that center is basically -4 and 5. That is your central point. Radius seems to be square root of 20. So it means that this is your radius, that is coming as square root of 20. You need to find the tangent equation of tangent to that circle. It means that there is some point, there is some line that cutted the circle at some point, that is -6 and 9. So you need to draw a line that cutted the circle at a single point. For example, this is the point. A line passes through it and the point seems to be -6 and 9. This is your point. Definitely, if a line is tangent to that circle, it means that the line is perpendicular to that circle. So it would be perpendicular. It should pass through that center and making an angle of 90 degrees. So I mentioned the things that are already known to me. -4 and 5 is the central point, this one. Square root of 20, that is my radius. And this is the point, just like marked as B, through which the line is passing. So first of all, I need to find the gradient because the line is steeper than that curve. So I need to find the slope, or you can say gradient. That could be written as slope, which is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That is equals to, what's the value of y2? The value of y2 that is passing through the point, that is coming as 9. 9 minus 5 over 9 is my y2 and 5 is my y1. Dividing by x2 is my -6 minus minus will become positive. This minus and this -4 will become positive, and further it will become 4 by -6 plus 4, that is coming as 4 by -2, that will becomes -2 of it. This is a tangent, or you can say a gradient. I need to find the equation of tangent. So for equation of tangent, I will use slope of normal and slope of tangent, which is equals to -1. That's the equation that I usually use for finding the equation of tangent. So I need to find the slope of that tangent. So it means that this is the slope of normal. So slope of tangent will be figured out as -1 by slope of normal. So slope of normal is what? Slope of normal is coming as -2. So it will become -1 by negative of 2. Negative negative will cancel and it will retain 1 by 2. So it means that my slope of that tangent is 1 by 2. I need to find the equation. So equation was y minus y1, which is equals to equation of slope of tangent, times by x minus x1. So it is passing through the points, so definitely I will use the points through which this is passing. The points are -6 and 9. So y minus 9, which is equals to slope was 1 by 2, times by x minus x1 was negative of 6. So it becomes y minus 9, which is equals to 1/2 x plus 6. Negative negative will become positive for that. And final form will become 2y minus 18. I just times by 2 onto the other side. If you want to do the times by 2, then you can. If you just retain as it is, and that's up to you, it's your choice, which is equals to x plus 6. Further, 2y is equals to x plus 6 plus 18. 2y is equals to x plus 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 would become 22. Now if you want to divide it by 2, your y will become 1/2 of x plus 11. That is the final equation that you have at the end. That's the equation.